BSR Nation. Thank you. Thank you for being patient. Since this video is sponsored by Ginger Spice, we just want her to have her say. Thank you, Ginger Spice. And with that being said, welcome BSR Nation. Welcome, welcome, welcome back to Everland, home of the Pond A Rosa. So everything is thawed out. I just thought I'd come out here, give you an update. You see all the snow is gone except for that patch right there. Let's see how the Pond A Rosa fared out. It thawed out from the ice and the snow is gone. See, no more snow. I don't see my fish, which is a good thing. I really don't want those fish to come back out. I want them to stay hibernating under the rush over there until the coast is clear. Okay, good. So the pump down there did well. As you can see, the water is still flowing down the stream and the waterfall. And none of the pipes froze up. There they are under that. I covered them. The R2D2 is good. It's under there. Glad I covered it. Let's see about the other fountain that I use as my litmus test because it's not connected to the Pond A Rosa. Ah, wonderful. I was afraid that this pump would have been damaged because I didn't turn it off. But look at it, guys. Live and kicking. Still under a little bit of ice, but nonetheless, it's still running. Everything is good. Everything is A-okay. Down here at Everland. Okay, hope everybody stayed safe, warm inside. Just wanted to give you an update on how things turned out down here. All right, stay tuned. Peace.